In this question, 1 gram of metal nitride gave 0.86 of metal sulfate. We have to calculate the equivalent weight of the metal. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे we use a rule that is when one compound of a metal is converted to another compound of the same metal. यहाँ पे देखो, metal nitride, metal sulfate. Okay, we use this formula. Let me do this. So equivalent weight, we have to find this out, but we can calculate the equivalent weight of the radical one, right? So यहाँ पे NO3 metal nitrate यहाँ पे radical है, right? NO3. So this is nothing but molecular weight upon charge. So molecular weight NO3 का 62. Why 62? Because nitrogen is 14 plus 16 threes are, right? So this is 14 plus 48 gives me 62. Next we have to find equivalent weight of the radical 2. Radical 2, that is metal sulfate, SO4, इसका चार्ज 2 माइनस होगा, करेक्ट. So this is again molecular weight upon charge. So this molecular weight of SO4 is 96 if you calculate, and then charge यहाँ पे 2 है, so 2. यहाँ पे चार्ज 1 था, so it remained 62 as it is. लेकिन यहाँ पे चार्ज इज 2, so this becomes 48. ओके, सो नाउ अब तो क्वेश्चन बहुत आसान हो गया है. वी हैव टू जस्ट सब्सटीट्यूट इन द फॉर्मूला, दैट्स इट. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? W1 अपॉन W2. वेन एवर यू गिवन लाइक दिस, मेटल नाइट्राइड, मेटल सल्फेट, एक मेटल कन्वर्टेड टू another compound of the same metal, then you have to use this formula. So equals equivalent weight जो we have to find out. This is given, this is given, everything is given except this, right? We have to find it out. So here it's equivalent weight plus equivalent weight of the radical 1. Equivalent weight of radical 1 अपॉन में इक्विवेलेंट वेट. So just substitute here weight 1, that is 1 gram, weight 2 0.86. ये हमें फाइंड करना है, एंड रेडिकल जस्ट नाउ वी कैलकुलेटेड, जस्ट सब्सटीट्यूट इट. Now you need to cross multiply. E plus 48 equal 0. E minus 0.86 E 53.2. This is 1. So if you subtract 1E minus 0.86 E, you get here 5.32 upon me 0.14. When you do this, you get 14 ones are 14, 38s are 38. So this is the equivalent weight. यहाँ पे I have subtracted. This is your complete answer.